Okay, to get started on the pumpkin butter, I've got about 5 cups of pureed pumpkin in my kettle. And to this, I'm going to add 1 cup of packed brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of pure maple syrup, the juice of 2 lemons, see a lemon seed, okay, and then I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/2 tablespoon of cinnamon. And now I just want to bring all of this, start heating it up. I'm going to start cooking it down. I've got my jars going over here on the side. You just want to cook it really good. It'll cook down. It already looks pretty. Okay, now at this point, right now is a good time to taste it to see if your spices taste good once it becomes hot, or if it's sweet enough. So I'm gonna taste it. It's pretty good. I think it does need to be a little sweeter, so I'm going to add about a 1/2 cup more of brown sugar. That was 1/4 of a cup. That's a 1/2 cup. You got to really watch it, because when it starts boiling, it's going to pop everywhere. So be careful, don't burn yourself. And I'm going to add a touch more cinnamon. Cinnamon's probably one of my favorite spices to use. I just love the taste of it. So I'm going to continue to cook this. I'm going to cook it down. It'll start getting really thick. It already looks pretty. You can eat, pumpkin butter can be so good for everything. All kinds of stuff. Okay, it's starting to get thick. It's splashing. I'm gonna go ahead and add a tablespoon of vanilla to it. And the cooler this gets, it'll start thickening up more. Smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna give it another taste. That is so good. It's delicious. And I'll use some recipes using this, and I'll show you the recipes in some later on videos. You can use it for different things besides just putting it on biscuits or toast. You can use it for all sorts of recipes. It's about ready to put in my jars. See how thick it is getting? It looks delicious. See how when you drop it, it kind of leaves its shape? It smells so good. Okay, it's ready to go in the jars. You want it to go to the bottom of the rim. Made a mess. Okay, you want to take a paper towel with a little bit of vinegar on it and kind of go around the edges to make sure there's no pumpkin butter on there. Okay, now I'm going to get the lids. Come on there. Okay, now after I get the lids on there, I'm going to just finger tighten them, hand tighten them, and I'm going to stick them back in the boiling water. I still got 2 more to do. Okay, so you let these jars, there's about 1 inch of water on above them. Let these boil for 10 minutes. And then you take them out and let them cool. Okay, here they are. Ended up with 7 jars of pumpkin butter. Look at them. Turned out really good. Okay, here's my pumpkin butter on my toast. Look how pretty. I'm gonna taste it. Oh my goodness, that's delicious. I need another bite. That's so good. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. Thank you.